In this video, I will be explaining you my live trade, and along with that I have a special giveaway for you. So watch the entire video, and now let's get started. I am getting a selling opportunity. This is M&M and I am planning to sell at 604.5. I have 50 quantity and for now I have kept my stop loss and target at 6 points. So let's see how it goes. So our order has been triggered and we can see our target and stop loss over there. This is daily time frame. Let's go to 5-minute time frame, and if the price crosses the day's low, I will add another 100 quantity. So I am just keeping my order ready, and if the price goes against our position, we will again take a small stop loss of 50 quantity and we'll exit our trade. So let's see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. And price is very close to our stop loss and it is a higher probability that our stop loss will be hit. So mistake accepted, and we will move to reasons for today's trade. We are here in daily time frame and you can see price taking support here from many days at this area, which is around 600, so a round figure, and it has touched this several times. So we can count this 1, 2, 3 and today as well, 4th time. So it had a higher probability of breaking this support area and going down, but it did not today, maybe tomorrow or upcoming sessions. And one more reason, in this daily time frame we can see inside candle here. So yesterday's trading session, inside candle formed. So if the price crossed this small candle here, means it had a probability that it will move more lower. Price did cross this small doji, gravestone doji, but it took a retest and it started moving upward. The another reason will be this long wick candle here. This is 15 candle 5-minute time frame, and it is again a gravestone doji. So this shows like sellers are in the market, and along with that high volumes as well. So continuously 2 candles gave high volume and 2 red candles. So you can see in the live trade I have entered the trade at 604.5 at this area. Price moved little lower, but after that it started moving upward. So you can see here price broke this support area, and that's why I took the trade. So that is one more reason. And there was no price action. I took the trade I think little bit early, so there was no a particular price action. So that is one of my mistake. And another thing, I did not let this candle to be complete. When this candle was forming, I took the trade in the middle. So this candle shows like buyers are coming from this downward area, and it closed up here. So that is one of my mistakes. We did a small loss of the 325. So thing to learn from this trade is, whenever we make a loss, we make a small loss, we give the market the less we can. And as we can see yesterday and day before that, whenever we made a profit, so it was a higher profit. So that is one of the thing we should keep in mind whenever we take a trade. And watch my other playlist as well. I have given in the iCard and even in the description. So let's talk about the giveaway. We will be doing this for our awesome audience who has been supporting us every time we upload a new video on YouTube. And I will be asking very fun and simple stock market questions which will help test your knowledge and even earn money. The rules are very simple. All you have to do is answer the 4 questions that I will be asking in one single comment, and share this video on Facebook, and along with that subscribe to this channel, because we will be going to do this share market quiz each and every week. So the first person who answers all 4 questions will be receiving 150 rupees from us. The next 3 will receive 50 rupees each, and the following 10 will receive 10 rupees each. We will be taking your email ID so we can send you your gift card. So here is your first question. In which account do we keep our stocks or shares? Question number 2. Who is world's richest person from stock market investment? Question number 3. Which are the two most popular indices in Indian stock market? And the last question, 4th. Who has the new largest retail chain in India? Hope you have understood all the questions, and that's it for today. Hope you have liked the video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.